it's Megan here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a bubble tea recipe. So your own homemade bubble tea has been going viral around my country. So in today's video, I'm just going to be teaching you how to do a simple bubble tea. So let's get started with the video. First, weigh 25 grams of brown sugar. "45 grams of tapioca starch, 30 grams of water. Pour the water into a pot and wait until it boils, then add the brown sugar. The brown sugar has to be dissolved and boiled. Turn off heat and slowly add some tapioca starch. Turn on heat and mix until they become thick. Of the starch and knead it into a dough. If the mixture is too dry, add more water. If the mixture is too wet, add more tapioca starch. Take half the dough and cut them into 1 cm by 1 cm balls. Repeat them to the rest of the dough. Take the pot and add water. Wait until the water boils, then add the pearls. Let it cook for half an hour. Put the lid over and let it sit for 20 minutes. Drain the water and put it into cold icy water. Let it sit in the water and make the brown syrup. First, take 40 grams of brown sugar, 30 grams of water. Add water into the pot and as well as the brown sugar. Again, make sure that the water and the brown sugar are dissolved together and boiled. Drain the water and add the pearls into the syrup. Add the pearls into your cup, add some ice and a drink of yours. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as well as click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Bye guys!